Today, I'm teaching you how to install the Waze navigation app on your iPhone. If you want to use Waze for directions, traffic updates, and navigations, you can download it directly from the App Store. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search tab at the bottom, then type Waze in the search bar. Look for the official Waze navigation app in the search results. Next, tap the Get button next to the Waze app. You may need to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Waze. Allow the necessary permissions, such as location access, so the app can provide accurate navigation and directions. And that's how to install the Waze navigation app on iPhone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.